So this is a 2022 Massey Ferguson 8S.265. So it's 6-cylinder, 265 horsepower with a 50k semi-power shift gearbox, and it's in an exclusive spec equipped with front linkage, which is in great condition, hardly been used. It's got a front PTO, 2 front spools, ice bus at the front, a front hydraulic return, an external spool and front linkage control. It's got a suspended front axle with pivoting front mudguards. The front bodywork and grille is in immaculate condition, barely a scratch on it. It's got LED front work lights, twin beacon. The front tyres are Trelleborg 540/65 R30s, about 80 to 90%, with no large cuts or bulges on adjustable rims. Diesel and AdBlue. Cab glass all round is immaculate. Rear tyres are Trelleborg 650/65 R42s. Again, these are in really good condition, about 80 to 90%. No large cuts or bulges. It's on a sliding bar axle at the rear. Got LED rear lights. Cat 3 rear linkage with a hydraulic top link. And then on the left hand fender you've got external linkage, spool and PTO control. On the right hand fender just external linkage and spool control. You've got 4 rear services with quick decouplers, air and hydraulic brakes, isobus, dual control, load sensing and power beyond. There's minimal wear on the towing hook and almost no wear on the clevis drawbar. Got a suspended cab. Rear right tyre also in very good condition. Got split electronic mirrors. Exhaust stacks in good condition, showing very minor signs of rust right at the base, but otherwise no large dents. Just a very slight scratch at the top section there. So in the cab of this Massey Ferguson, the trim and plastic's in immaculate condition. Absolutely no scratches or scuffs anywhere. Driver's seat is a Grammer air suspended, heated and cooled seat in immaculate condition. Headliner hasn't got a scratch on it. Got a Bluetooth radio, air conditioning which is run through your tractor screen, which also runs your Trimble centimetre unlock guidance, all electronic spools. And it starts and runs well. So this 8S is still in full manufacturer warranty and it's in stock at our site in Littleport. So if you'd like any more information or you would like to come and have a look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.